Hey fam, welcome back to Dat Family 5, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Today me and my husband are cleaning our backyard by doing some lawn mowing and some raking up of some leaves. As you see, our backyard does not have any trees. However, we are surrounded by trees and the leaves always fall into our backyard. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you enjoy this and enjoy the music. And if you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to our channel and like our videos and comment. That'd be greatly appreciated, and that will be very good for our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watch. See you soon.
Business to test me. I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on.
Alright, so hey you guys, my husband is a stickler on us actually doing a lawn together, and he thought I was doing too much on this day, and I think I hadn't had my surgery after this time, but I was doing a lot, and I think I had actually hurt myself earlier, so he was like, you want to do it. But he's very weird when he does the lawnmower. He does the lawnmower like he does the vacuum. Like, as you see, he's going around in circles rather than up and down, which is really weird to me. So, you know, but I let him do what he did. And right here now I'm telling him, hey, you missed some spots over there. Please fix it. And he fixed it. Like, you know, he did, and I appreciate it. And then we moved on.
I want to give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah.
As always, when I'm not wearing a belt, my underwear is making a cameo. I apologize about that. But I was sweeping because I don't like the big broom that we have, even though we spent a lot of money on it. I would rather sweep.
Carefully, the eye of the fish, the dead fish. Oh no,
Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. To a place you've never been before. I would love you, I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going in.
You can see this is a very short video. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to our channel. Press that ring and make sure you press it 2 times and press that top button that says all. And we'll see y'all next time. If you haven't yet, please consider to go ahead and comment below. I like talking to y'all. It helps my channel a lot, and I get to learn y'all. So I appreciate y'all so much, and then we'll see y'all the 2 next time.
Turn my life around. So